button, the red one, to stop it. Now the question is, I am saying that whether it is scholarly work, whether it is scientific intervention, whether it is related to any type of traditional knowledge, all are individual work which requires protection. Now coming down to the fact of why are laws required all over the world to actually protect it, it is due to the fact that it is the legislations which are actually bolstered by the respective governments of the different countries. Generally there are three forms: the executive form, the legislature and the judiciary. The laws that are there in the country, they determine as to the fact what is going to be the level of protection in the context of intellectual property. For example, in India, there is the Patent Act. In India, there is the Copyright Act of 1957. There are Trade Marks Act altogether. These are the laws which actually protect the so-called owners of the intellectual property from being misused, from being copied, from being disseminated to the people at large. I can give a very simple example, that is Tagore, Rabindranath Tagore, as you know by yourself. Whatever he had written, his works, generally speaking, were being published on the part of the Vishwa, the university which actually was responsible for printing and publishing the work of Tagore. Now, the Copyright Act 1957 that had said that the period for which it is being protected is the life of the person plus 60 years. That means Tagore died in 1941. So it was being protected till that period of time, 60 years after life, that is till 2001. Thereafter, Vishwavarti has lost the copyright in terms of publishing the works of Tagore. Same is the question of the copyright laws in different parts of the world. And I come down to the question of international convention, is the Berne Convention, where a number of countries came together and they agreed upon the fact that when it is related to intellectual property rights, the laws within the country, individual countries, they are supposed to be generally a bit similar. They cannot have a very different form of protection, the period of protection or something of that sort. I to give a simple example, if the copyright protection in India is the life of the author and